Welcome to High Above, Japan's Beauty by Drone. In this episode, join me as I soar above the town of Yasuura in Hiroshima Prefecture, famous for its oyster farms, its iconic floating raft, and uninhabited islands. Let's discover Japan from above. Hiroshima Bay, situated within the Seto Inland Sea, provides exceptional conditions for oyster farming. Its nutrient-rich water, created by the blend of fresh water from rivers and seawater, are abundant with phytoplankton. The calm tides further contribute to an optimal habitat for oyster cultivation, making it a prime location for producing high-quality oysters. Floating rafts are constructed using material like timber, bamboo, or plastic pipes. These rafts are equipped with floating devices such as plastic drums or polyethylene blocks to keep them buoyant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Next, let's have a look to the uninhabited Kashiwajima Island. This island has 3 jinja. First is Kashiwajima Shrine venerating O Yamatsumi no Kami for self-protection. Second is Ebisu Shrine, the god of prosperity and safe travel. Last is Anaba Shrine dedicated to Iwanaga Hime no Mikoto, offering blessings for health and healing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Kashiwajima is the perfect place to store and repair oyster rafts. Here we have a better view on Anaba Shrine, and we can see the red torii or shrine gate. Here is a view on an oyster raft which has been damaged and that will go under repair for the next season. Let's have a closer look to the bamboo raft. Here we can see the bamboo which will be used to repair damaged rafts. Also, we can see how they are anchored into the sea. And now, jumping from raft to raft, having the impression to play Super Mario game, jumping from one raft to another and to another. Slowly going up in the air, we can appreciate how many oyster rafts are stored close to the Kashiwajima Island. Leaving Kashiwajima Island, we are heading now toward Ōshiba Bridge. 470-meter-long bridge elegantly connects the mainland to Ōshiba Island, showcasing a remarkable architectural design that harmonizes seamlessly with the natural beauty of the Seto Inland Sea. Overview of the mainland and the mountains surrounding Yasuura city. We can also observe again the Oyster raft hanging on the sea. We can see from here the beauty of the Seto Inland Sea and all the islands. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Share your thoughts in the comment below. I'd like to hear from you. See you in the next video.